Ramesh is an SC/ST entrepreneur who wants to do some marketing for his enterprise for brand building and networking, but he is worried about things like financial burden and marketing expenses. Ramesh now does not have to worry about his marketing expenses. The National SC/ST Hub under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India has the perfect marketing schemes for Ramesh. The NSSH wants you, the SC/ST entrepreneur, to avail various marketing solutions and unlock new opportunities. SC/ST entrepreneurs face marketing difficulties as compared to large enterprises who have knowledge of trade fairs and exhibitions. Under the Special Marketing Assistance Scheme, an SC/ST enterprise can be assisted financially with subsidy and reimbursement for his or her participation in exhibitions or trade fairs both domestically and internationally. Under this scheme, Ramesh will get 100% subsidy on stalls and subsidy of up to 30,000 rupees on freight for international exhibitions and 15,000 rupees for domestic exhibitions or trade fairs, and 100% financial assistance on fare for both domestic and international exhibitions or trade fairs. The SMAS, to ease the marketing challenges for SC/ST entrepreneurs and boost their participation in trade fairs and exhibitions. For domestic exhibition and trade fairs, the SC/ST enterprise can avail benefits up to Rs 1.5 lakh per event. Are you wondering how? The scheme allows you 100% subsidy on minimum sized stalls and also travel fare both ways via the fastest mode, a bus, train or flight for domestic exhibition and trade fair. This allowance is for a maximum limit of 10,000 rupees for one SC/ST person per SC/ST enterprise. Not just that, even the transport charges for your goods for the exhibition will be taken care of, 100% with a limit up to 15,000 rupees. Coming to international exhibitions and trade fairs, here the maximum budgetary support is 1.5 lakh rupees for medium-sized, 2.5 lakh rupees for small and 3 lakh rupees for micro SC/ST enterprises. Your accommodation and transportation charges will be part of your daily allowance, which will be double the rate of the country you are visiting as per the Ministry of External Affairs guidelines. Even freight charges will be taken care of up to a limit of 30,000 rupees for international participation in exhibitions and trade fairs. What's the eligibility criteria? SC/ST units should have Udyam registration and enrollment on MSME Data Bank at the time of availing the scheme. How often can you avail these benefits? An SC/ST enterprise can avail subsidy participation in 2 international exhibitions and 4 domestic exhibitions. One SC/ST person cannot represent more than one MSME in a financial year. An SC/ST unit can apply to NSSH through any of the nearest field offices of NSIC under SMAS at least 2 months in advance for domestic events and for pre-approved international exhibitions before the cut-off date mentioned in the fact sheet notified on NSIC website www.nsic.co.in. You can find the full list of nearest SC/ST Hub offices here. What is the process after applying for the Marketing Assistance Scheme? Prior approval is required to avail subsidy under the Special Marketing Assistance Scheme. Thereafter, your proposal is processed for an approval. Ramesh is happy as he will learn to gain marketing capabilities and competitiveness, get a chance to showcase his products, interact with a large buyer base, and enrich his enterprise's brand name. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now.